Hi, I'm Angelica, and I work at the downtown Neroli location, and I am here to introduce our new plant stem cell based facials. So, the point of difference, first thing I'll touch on is that these facials are different from the normal Tulosara facials in that they incorporate the new serums that Aveda came out with. There's 3 different focuses. There's the Intense Hydrator, which incorporates cactus fruit hyaluronic acid for an instant boost of hydration. Wonderful, that's probably my favorite one. There is the Instant Luminizer, which is going to be snow lotus and some alpha hydroxy acid in this serum, and that's going to be for instant brightening, so hyperpigmentation, sun damage, all that kind of good stuff. And then the third serum is going to be the Pore Refiner, which has sweet clover and beta hydroxy. And this one is more for perhaps someone prone to breakouts or acne prone. The facials have a specific treatment plan that coincide with these serums and also incorporate the crystal wands. So crystal wand massage is used in all 3 of them. It is the same massage in each of the facials. They focus on your marma points, which are energy points in the face. Well, it's all over the body. There's hundreds of them. But specifically the ones in the face that we focus on with this massage are to help with deep relaxation.